The first is draft. To start, I want to create a simple extrusion that flares out as it gets taller. I'll use a draft feature to create this. There are two basic methods for creating drafted features. The first is to apply draft to an extruded boss feature. When I edit the extrusion, note the Draft On/Off button at the bottom of the direction panel. When toggled, you're presented with an angle value, and you can choose to draft inward or outward as well. I'll draft outward at 4 degrees for this example. The second method you can use to create draft features is by using the draft command. Here, I've got the same extrusion used in the first example, minus the draft. This time, I'll add draft to the part after the fact by activating draft from the command manager. The draft property manager appears, giving me the option to create manual or draft expert drafts. I'll use the manual option here. The first thing to decide is what type of draft I want to apply. Neutral plane lets me define a draft at an angle with respect to a fixed plane selection. Parting line lets me define a draft with respect to a plane defined by a parting line. And step draft is basically a different kind of parting line draft, where one face is rotated about the plane used as the direction of pull. I'll pick neutral plane for this part, selecting the bottom face as the neutral plane. Then I'll select the faces I want to draft. Remember that you can right-click and use Select Other to select obscure geometry if need be. When my selections are complete, I'll click OK to create the feature. Note the draft feature now present in the Feature Manager. Now in this example, this simple draft is best applied from within the Extrude feature. I just wanted you to see how expansive the draft feature can be when modeling with SOLIDWORKS. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to create